Welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to draw a 3D model of Inception movie spinning top in AutoCAD. Drag you downloaded image of spinning top. After fade it out, draw a center line with line tool. Using polyline PL is short keys draw outside of the spinning top, with help of arc in polyline. Now select Revolve command in Modeling tab, select the polyline and select both edges for implementation of the revolving command. Your spinning top is ready. You can use it for 3D printing also by downloading as a STL file. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.